All right, so we gotta take that lower ball joint, try heat and quench in that one with a pickle fork. Can't really get in there with the ball joint presser. So I'm gonna take this rotor off. I'm gonna get to those 2 bolts so I can get that big piece out of the way, and then get this bad boy tool in there and pop it out, and then clean it up. Victor next door is working on the upper control arms, so when those come in, we'll clean those up real quick, put the upper ball joints in, and start mocking up the knuckles. We can mock up the new shocks, so when I'm waiting for the lower control arms, everything will be ready to go. All right, guys, well, that's your quick little update. All right. So Xander got the piece off. It's right there. So in a minute, I'm gonna take the tool, see if we can pop that out. He is working on this one here, getting it all ready. So hopefully in a little bit here, we'll have some results. Well, we had a little adventure. We made a tool. I hit it with the impact, and that lower ball joint went flying somewhere. Oh, there it is. So we're gonna do the same thing. Go for it. Tighten up the. Oh, sweet. All right, well, the other side went well. Maybe we'll take a little heat to it, since we'll have a womp womp.
I guess that's why they tell you to use impact sockets and extensions.
There's that. So we're gonna heat and quench this thing like I was doing earlier. So hopefully we can get it hot enough where it wants to pop off like the other one. So we'll get back to you guys. All right, round 2 with this one. Let's go. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Now we can do clean up in aisle 2. Clean up in aisle 2. Cool. Well, we're gonna do some clean scrubbing and start putting these spindles back together. I don't know if we're gonna put the rotor on just yet, because I think once we have the upper controller arms on,
yeah,
then we can just loosely put it together. And yeah, like I said before, we're just gonna kind of start mocking things together here a little bit. All right, guys. All right. Later. Arms are back on. It's all cleaned up. We'll grease all these back up, clean them up real good, grease them up, get the bearings, grease them all up. Hopefully have the arms in the morning, because I'm ready to start slapping this bad boy back together. But that's yeah, I'm gonna clean up a few more things and call it a night. All right, guys.